Hello there. In this tutorial I'm going to show about DISM. So DISM is Deployment Image Servicing and Management Tool. So by DISM we will able to upgrade the drivers, we will update the softwares, also enable or disable the features. We can also update whatever you want to update. You can upgrade the software, also modify the image. So it will basically created on WIM files, which is the image files of operating system. First we create here a directory, and in the directory we will first mount our image. So you can see we just create modify directory, and we are is now going to mount. So first command will be dir modify, and we will see we just create modify, and you will see the directory is empty, but we will now mount our image to that directory, so by which we will able to modify our image. So our command will be dism /mount WIM /WIM file, where your WIM image is located. You need to give the desired location to it. So wherever you are putting your image, you need to give the path. So does mount image, it won't mount WIM /WIM file C drive PCI image.wim, which is my name of my image, consists of how many index. So it's index only one. Like if sometime image will be created 1 or 2 or 3, so right now we have only one image, so we need to give the index sign this the total number. So it's 1, then /mount, and the directory we were mounting. So this is the whole command, and we just give a directory. So it's mounting image. We will pause from here. So it takes some time, so it's now almost done. Mounting image, it's almost done. Now we need to see dir modify, and you can see it consists with files. So this is the image files, directory files of operating system of our image. Now we need to get the features, because our aim is to enable disable features. So another command will be dism /image, then we need to give the location C drive modify get features, and we will want it to see the features, and that feature will be located or create first a text document, and we will be able to see the whole list of our features. So this will our command will be this /image C drive modify get features. Now we will try to open that text file, notepad /fat.txt, and you can see will show the features list of our image, and this is the by default features of image. So what we need to do there, we need to take scenario like we want telnet server and telnet client to enable, and we want all inbox games to disable. So we all know Telnet server and Telnet client basically gets disabled. We need to enable manually, and we want all the games will manually disable. So what we need to do here is DISM /image C drive, which is our path where our file is mounted, and /enable dash features, because we want to enable the features. So DISM /image or path enable features /feature name, and the feature name is Telnet server. So remember, it's case sensitive. You can't change capital or small letter. You have to see it. That you can't change it's case sensitive. It will not work if you not read according to it. So make sure it will run. You can see enabling features, 100% of operation completed successfully. So we are enable Telnet server. If we enable Telnet server, then we need to enable Telnet client also, because two or one simultaneously command will be the same. DISM image or file where image is mounted, enable feature name Telnet client, and you can see enabling feature, the operation completed successfully. Now what we need to do here is to clear screen here, and we will now disable features. So our aim is to disable features of our game. So DISM /image or image where file is mounted, then disable features and /feature name, and all the inbox game we want to disable. So in the place of enable, we need just written disable and all the inbox games. So it will take time because we have a bunch of games to disable. So you can see disabling features 98.9%, or we will some way there is disabled now. So it's good to know. Now what we need to do here, we need to give a couple of commands. Again, we want to first know whether this feature is disabled or not. So first see the list of features. So disable actually is DISM /image, and they give the name, and get features, and we will create this list of features at fed1.txt, as fed.txt already exists. So we will want to open Notepad. So we want to first do some comparison. So we create first fed.txt and fed1.txt. We open both text documents here and do some comparisons here. Look, earlier Telnet server and Telnet clients are disabled. You can see disabled. Now is this server, there we go, Telnet server and Telnet client is now enabled pending. Also you can see inbox games is enabled, and in this in this place, inbox games are disabled. So I think our practical is almost done. We able to modify software here, we able to modify features here. So what we need to do is simply mount from directory. So our command will be DISM /mount WIM /mounter, which is our directory where we mount our image. So this is modify /commit. So we need to commit the unmounting also. So you can see image file index is 1, image file is c drive pci image.vim. So it's now saving our image, and whenever we utilize that image, it will disable inbox games and enable telnet server and telnet client. You can see I'm mounting image. The operation completed successfully, and now when we just give a command dir modify, we will see no files exist. So it will save to our image. Hope you learned something about DISM. Thanks for watching.